Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and that just makes mapping things out much easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward, and that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive movement when you stop and think about the fact that the price was just down there on Tuesday, and all of a sudden it's back up there. Granted, sure, it did pull back quite a bit from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was not that long ago, down around this area of the chart, and then where it is right now, definitely a nice solid move. So is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, though? That's the very valid question here, and I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question quite straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this $1.85 mark. Why is $1.85 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.85. If the price were to continue on down and then just continue down through even that, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price were to pull back some more and then behave like that, what would you have? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being defined as $1.85. What about levels of resistance? Main overall level of resistance right now is sitting right here at $2.15, and while the price didn't hit it exactly today, I think we can all agree it definitely got close enough for it to basically say that it got rejected, which makes good sense when you consider that back throughout the course of the chart, it's really struggled around $2.15. So I'm not saying $2.15 can't be broken. I'm just saying apparently, you know, the price is really going to need to bring it to A game if it's going to be able to not only break above that level, but stay up above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great volume today, great bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.